Python functions. So first up is function definition and calling. You just use the keyword def, that's it, and then you write the name of function. My first function, I'll add a document here, 3 quotations to start with, 3 quotations to end with. So I'll write here, this is my first function, and what it will do, it will print hello world. Print hello world. Now the function is defined. If I want to run this function, I'll just write my first function done. This is defining a function. This is calling a function. You can check the documentation of any predefined function by this method. You just write print my first function, then it dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. Next up is function with arguments. We'll define a function. Let us call it say hello. I'll write here name. This function wishes hello. Print hello. Then I'll give a space. Write here name. When I call it say hello, I'll write here code a Python. Then it will print hello. Then code a Python. I have passed this particular argument in this particular variable, so it will print hello. Whatever you provide in the function, it will give the output. Let us define one more function, square num. This function prints square. Print the square of dot format num multiply 2. Square of 10, and I want a square of 5. Square of 10 is 100. Square of 5 is 25. Similarly, in the square, let me change it to cube, and I'll just share right 3. Cube. The cube of 10 is 1000. The cube of 5 is 125. Now next up is return statements. So I'll define square and write here num. This function returns square. To return, this is my key term, num into num. X equals to square 10, then I will print x. Now the value of x is 100. We use return statements whenever we want a function to give the result back to where it has been called. Let me define one more function. We'll call it fun. Turn hello. A equals to function and print a. Now a is hello. Let me give you one example. Add and sub a comma b. Now add is equal to a plus b and sub is equal to a minus b. And return add comma sub. Addition comma subtraction, add underscore sub 10 comma 5, and I'll print. You can print multiple variables together. So what it did, I returned 2 variables together, and these 2 variables were assigned to addition comma subtraction. That is, I want 2 variables to be initialized here, where I asked give me the result of addition underscore subtraction 15 comma 5. This particular function returned 2 values, add comma sub, and these 2 values are assigned simultaneously. Addition become add, subtraction becomes sub, and I printed both of them together.